Hi Maklaagan! Ako si Kalagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Subo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. It's another pageant episode and another pageant personality ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome one of the renowned designer or sabihin nating costume designer dito sa Pilipinas. We have Mr. Patrick Esorena. Hello, kumusta? Finally meet you in the flesh.
It's nice to meet you too.
Diba? Kasi nakikita ko yung mga costume mo nung, for Miss Grand, tapos sa Miss Universe ngayon. Behind those beautiful costume, nasa harap ko na at na-interview ko pa.
Salamat sa pagdalaw. Diba? Alam kong galing ka pa ng Cebu.
Talaga naman, pupunta kita dito. Pero I would like to ask, what inspires you to design, to make this beautiful creation?
Actually, the main thing that inspires me to do my creations, yung mga taong nagsusuot din ng creation ko. Kasi I know sa bawat hakbang at bawat galaw nila na gagawin nila sa entablado, hindi lang to para sa kanila, hindi para sa akin, para sa Pilipinas. And that's what inspires me the most.
Oh, so naalala mo pa ba yung first costume na ginawa mo? At can you give us also a detail? Ano yun?
First costume na ginawa ko, actually, hindi naman pang pageant. Hindi, pang pageantry siya, pero hindi for nationals, hindi pang Miss Universe. Para siya sa Miss Gay.
Ay! Talaga?
Yes.
Proud naman. Tapos anong costume na yun?
That was 2011. Tapos, since hindi naman ako designer, I did not study design. So, pinagkatiwalaan lang ako ng best friend ko na gumawa ng isang Victoria's Secret inspired costume para dun sa Miss Gay na sasalihan niya.
Oh, so Victoria's Secret.
Yes, it
Ganun
is.
Pala. Okay, pero sino ba talaga to si Patrick? If wala naman, hindi ka gumagawa ng costume, sino ba talaga to si Patrick?
Ikaw yung una nagtanong sa akin. And I would be very glad to say that without the glitz and glam and all of the costumes around me, I am a teacher by profession.
Oh!
Yes, I am.
Interesting. So, a teacher, tapos ngayon, maganda pa rin. Kasi you are creating beautiful costume, not just locally, but internationally as well.
Yes, and thank you, Lord, for that. Kasi hindi tayo sinuwerte, pinaghirapan natin to eh. And for the love of the Philippines and for the love to my kings and queens, kaya ako nagpupursiging gumawa ng magagandang ganito.
Oh. Now, let's talk about, kasi kabago lang natapos yung Miss Grand. Can you tell us about this national costume of Emma? Paano nyo nagawa to? Paano, at the end, ito talaga na-choose nyo?
Hindi naging matagal yung proseso nito kasi we all know that after Emma won the nationals, 1 month na lang yung meron siya para pumunta siya sa Miss Grand International. And it took like 3 weeks to make this. And then 1 week of brainstorming. Yung 1 week na yon, it has approvals pa sa head ng Miss Grand Philippines, which is ALV. So this is not one of the choices. I mean, this is one of the choices. Kasi we made 3.
Oh, so 3 pa lang choose nyo doon?
Yes.
Okay.
Namili kami between 2 categories, which is mythical creature and festivals of the Philippines.
Okay.
So if not this, sa inyo, dito nyo lang ito maririnig if not the Mayari costume, it could have been the Sari Manok or the Mascara Festival.
Oh, bago yung Mascara Festival. Interesting.
Bago for international. Kasi
for international? Oo.
Diba? Everywhere.
Oh, I see. Pero ito talaga ang napili.
Ito ang na-approve ni ALV.
Oh, I see. Now, also, if nakaharap mo yung before mo, yung supposedly a teacher sana, o harap, ano ang masasabi mo sa kanya na ngayon?
If I were to face my old self, yung teacher self ko, I would tell him na don't be afraid to start over. Huwag ka matakot magsimula ulit. Kasi someday you will reach a higher level of what you dream of. Actually, hindi mo to pangarap eh. Ito yung something na gusto mo lang gawin. And hindi mo mamamalayan na magiging successful ka dito. So, actually, hindi ko advice yun sa old self ko. Advice ko yun sa lahat ng tao. Na huwag tayong matakot.
Papunta ako doon. What would be your advice? Ganon.
Huwag tayong matakot magsimula ulit. And connection to, don't be afraid to start again. Huwag ka matakot sumubok ng mga bagay na hindi mo naman alam. Kasi eventually, pwede mong pag-aralan and eventually, matututo ka and eventually gagaling ka dun sa bagay.
Oh, ganun naman. Yes naman. And also, advice naman din natin, never stop believing yourself.
Totoo yan. Totoo.
Diba? Never stop believing yourself. Continue reaching your dreams pa rin. Diba?
Totoo. And walang age, walang edad. No limit ang dreams. As long as kaya mo, as long as gusto mo, magagawa at ma-achieve mo yun.
Tama naman. Diba? Oh, so ang dami naman natin nalaman sa pageant personality sa araw sa guest natin na to. And before we continue, I would like to personally thanks for our sponsor. I would like to personally thank Skin 911 Medical because timeless beauty starts here at Skin 911 Medical. And so I would like to personally thank also Michelle Joy Padayhag, Mother Archie, my Quick Thoughts family. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to have an interview with one of the renowned designer. Now, kindly please invite our Laagan sa Cebu viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, kasi for sure naman, merong naghahanap dyan to have your design when it comes to costume. Go ahead, please.
Please do follow all of my social media. It's just Patrick Isorena. That's Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, lahat yan. Patrick Isorena.
Once again, Makalagan, our renowned and also sikat na costume designer, we have Mr. Patrick Isorena. Thank you very much for guesting here at Laagan sa Subo. And also, my last question na ako. Meron bang nagpapagawa sa'yo ng costume or national costume for the upcoming Miss Universe 2025?
Sasabihin natin meron, pero merong mga.
Oh! Mga! So, ang dami to.
More than one is many, tama?
Oh! So, yun ang abangan natin sa national costume for the upcoming Miss Universe 2025, diba? Aabangan namin, baka siguro may makikita na naman kayong mga lights, galaw-galaw dyan, diba? Mga pasabog dyan. Oo, diba? May masasabi ka bang ano bang mga... Sabihin na natin mga colors ang makikita namin.
Well, there's one pink and one blue.
Ay! Yun na yun. Pink at saka blue. Ayun na yun. Now, before also we end this chikahan, we have a simple gift po sa iyo, Patrick, from Cebu itself.
From Cebu.
Yes, we have ang utap. And also, we have also, kasi sikat na yung dried mangoes, ayun,
so,
diba?
Merong guyabano na.
Yes, and also not only that, also, limited lang to for the guests here Laagan sa Subo, it's a puso.
Oh my God.
A necklace.
May kanin sa loob.
Yes. That's exclusively only here at Laagan sa Subo. Hindi yan for sale, ha? Binibigyan lang namin yung mga special guests namin. Yun. So, maraming salamat.
Thank you
and
so
also,
much.
good luck for upcoming, sasabihin natin, competition. At sana baka makostume mo din ako. Kasi gusto ko rin na lechon tsaka yung may puso din.
Gagawin.
Diba? Ayan!
Abangan nyo.
Abangan. Alright, and also don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Subo, Pageantry All Access.